Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this particular class session, we shall continue the problems related to our exercise number 9.5. So till now regarding the 9.5 exercise, we were discussing only about what? That is find the general solution only. But today in this class, we shall find out the particular solutions of the given differential equations. Now in the examination, the problems whether it is an homogeneous or whether it is an variable separable, we are not knowing. Depending on the question or depending on the practice, you will come to know which method it is, by the definition of homogeneous or by means of variable separable form here. Okay dear students, now let us continue with the problems related to our finding the solution of that is given differential equation. Solution means particular solution here. Okay, so the heading is find particular solution of the given differential equation Dear students, here dA means I am writing it as differential equations. Now here let us start with the problem here, that is x square dy plus xy plus y square into dx equal to 0. Okay, x square dy plus xy plus y square dx equal to 0, given that is given y is equal to 1 when x equal to 1. What it is? It is nothing but our conditions. Okay, what is given? The initial conditions he had given here. Now let us solve it. It is a very simple kind of problem here. So now given the problem, I will rewrite once again, that is x square dy plus xy plus y square into what it is, the dx. I will take this whole term to the RHS. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x square dy equal to minus of xy plus y square, okay, into what it is, dx. Now dy by dx I will take here, and this whole term divided by x square I will cross multiply. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, dy by dx equal to, okay, minus of xy plus y square whole divided by x square. Now we shall check for its homogeneous or not, whether the given differential equation, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ equation ನ dy by dx ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸೆಪರೇಬಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೋ ಅಥವಾ okay, we have to move on to the next method, that is homogeneous differential equation, that we shall observe. Now here we can observe that we can't frame, okay, we can't eliminate all the x at one side, we can't distribute x dx at one side and y dy at another side. We can't frame it. So therefore we are making use of this homogeneous equations here. Okay, we shall check for it homogeneous, that is let us take f of x comma y equal to given question, that is xy plus y square whole divided by x square. Now here you put here x equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y, you substitute, dear students. So what we get here, f of lambda x lambda y is equal to, even though you substitute here lambda x and lambda y, that is minus of lambda square xy, okay, plus of lambda square y square whole divided by lambda square x square. Now here dear students, if you take here lambda square common, what we get, xy plus y square whole divided by lambda square into x square, here minus 1 get eliminates, and that in turn it is nothing but our f of x comma y. Okay, that is nothing but our f of x comma y. When what? After substituting x equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y here. One thing. Okay, that is the first observation. Now we shall solve it. How we require to solve is put. To solve it, that is put, okay, y is equal to vx. Differentiate on both sides. That is dy by dx equal to v as it is, plus x into dv by dx, plus x into dv by dx we get. Now you can substitute it. Okay dear students, you can substitute it in equation number 1. You can take here equation in 1, put in 1. So what we get here, instead of this dy by dx, v plus, okay, that is v plus x into dv by dx, okay, equal to minus of, okay, I will rewrite as it is, minus of x, y means what, vx, plus of y square, that is nothing but here v square x square whole divided by x square. Dear students, here x into x, that is x square, here also x square. I can take here x square common, the remaining part is v plus v square, okay. Or else directly I can take v into x square common, the remaining part is 1 plus v here, 1 plus v here. Whole divided by what is the remaining part? X square get eliminates. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, directly I can write it as that is minus v minus of v square, and here v part is there, I will take it to the RHS. Okay, so instead of taking here v square common, I will write here v square v plus v square only. Okay, that will be easy. Now here what we have, x into dv by dx, this v I will take it to the RHS, minus v. Okay, dear students. So what we get here, minus v, that is minus 2v minus v square. Okay, or else if I take here minus common outside, if I take common sign outside, so what we get here, that is nothing but minus v into 1 plus v here. Okay, here it is 2 plus v, that is nothing but here x into dv by dx. Now here clearly we can observe that the RHS part is minus v 2 plus v, only in terms of v it is. Here LHS part is dv by dx, here into x we have. By cross multiplication what I can write is dv divided by the whole thing, that is v into, okay, v plus 2 I can write here, okay, which is equal to minus sign as it is, dx I will take it to the RHS, cross multiplication divided by x. Dear students, now it is very clear, that is we have to make use of variable, okay, that is a variable separable method, and we can integrate it. So what it is, variable separable form, okay, therefore integrate it. So what we get, integration of 1 divided by v into v plus 2, okay, dv equal to minus 1 divided by x into dx. Now here on this LHS part, 1 divided by v into v plus 2, we have to solve it by making use of partial fractions, okay, that is 1 divided by v into v plus 2, okay, which is equal to a divided by v plus b divided by v plus 2. Now here 1 is equal to a into v plus 2 plus b into v here. Now here when v is equal to, in this equation when v is equal to 0, that implies v is equal to 0 means 0 plus 2, that is a is equal to 1 by 2 I will get. Okay, how we get? Put v is equal to 0 in both. Okay, now here it is constant, I will write as it is a into 2, that is a equal to 1 by 2 we get. Also when v is equal to minus 2, okay, if I put here minus 2 means minus 2 plus 2 get 0, that implies here b is equal to, here v is equal to minus 2 if I put means minus of 1 by 2 here. That implies here, that implies our integral, okay, the LHS part will be integration of 1 by 2 divided by v. A means what? 1 by 2 into v plus of, okay, minus of 1 by 2 into b means what it is? V plus 2 into dv equal to minus integration of 1 by x into dx. Now you can easily integrate it. If I take here 1 by 2 common outside, what it is? 1 by v means log v minus of what we have? Log of v plus 2 here equal to minus log x plus an integral constant log c. Now we can make use of properties of logarithm, that is nothing but 1 by 2 log of v divided by v plus 2, dear students, equal to log of a minus log b, that is log a by b, that is c by x. So what we get is, here I will take it to the root, here we get here v divided by v plus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2, okay, which is equal to c divided by x here. Let us take it as equation number 2. Now here we require to find that c value. What we require here? Here the given question is find the particular solution. To find this particular solution, both x as well as y value is provided. Okay, that is when x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 here, according to the given problem, what we can, so before starting with this, we have to put here y is equal to vx, okay, y is equal to, so if I put here y is equal to v by x, that implies v is equal to y by x. This value I require to put here. That means what we get here, y by x, okay, dear students, y by x divided by y by x plus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2 equal to c by x here. Okay, now here, dear students, you can put here y is equal to, that is you can substitute both the values here. That is, take it as equation number 2. At x equal to 1, at x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, what we get here, that is nothing but here 1 by 1, 1, 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2, which is equal to, okay, c by 1. That implies c value, what we get here, dear students, the c value will be 1 by root 3 here, 1 by root 3. Now put in 2 here, put in 2. Okay, after putting this value in 2, that will be nothing but your required particular solution. Okay, dear students, if this problem is asked in your examination, he will be asking for your 5 marks problem here. The problem seems to be very lengthy, but you should know the basics of the both the differential equation, that is nothing but homogeneous, why it is homogeneous and how you have to solve that homogeneous. Then we require to basics of the integration also here. Okay, dear students, now before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is also very simple, that is nothing but here x into sine square y by x minus y dx plus x dy equal to 0. Now how we require to solve this particular problem? Very simple example here. That is nothing but here x into, I will write the question, sine square of y by x minus y dx, okay, equal to minus x into dy, or else I can write as a dy by dx. Okay, dear students, dy by dx equal to, okay, if I am writing it to the RHS part, okay, so what we get here, dy by dx equal to x into sine square of y by x minus y whole divided by x here, okay, whole divided by x, and I will write down the minus sign here, and I will write down the minus sign. This is the first part. Now how we require to solve it? So we will check for the homogeneous condition here, we will check for the homogeneous. That is nothing but here, let us take f of x comma y is equal to the whole quotient, that is minus of x into sine square of y by x, okay, minus of y, dear students, whole divided by x we have. Now here put here x equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y here, dear students. So what we get here, that is f of lambda x comma lambda y, which is equal to minus of lambda x sine square of lambda y divided by lambda x minus of lambda y here, whole divided by lambda x. Here itself in the bracket lambda get eliminates. Here we can observe that lambda I can take common here, which is equal to minus lambda of x into sine square of y by x minus y whole divided by lambda x. Here we can observe that lambda get eliminates, and minus of that in turn it is nothing but x into sine square y by x, okay, minus y divided by x, that is nothing but here f of x comma y. Hence what we can conclude it is an homogeneous differential equation. Therefore it is homogeneous differential equation. Now we require to solve it. How to solve that problem? Okay, by putting here, that is put y is equal to vx, differentiating both sides, that is dy by dx equal to v as it is plus x, the differentiation is 1, that is nothing but here next x as it is, v differentiation will be dv by dx. Now here put this value in equation number, what it is in this equation. So what we get here after putting in this particular equation, now here that is dv by dx means what it is, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, okay, minus sign of, dear students, minus sign of x as it is, that is next here sine square of y by x, y means what it is, vx divided by x minus of what it is, vx, y means what it is, y it is nothing but vx divided by x here. Now here among this whole term here x get eliminates, and I will take here x common, that is minus of x here, remaining part is sine square v minus v divided by x, here x get eliminates. Now here same as it is, v plus x into dv by dx we have here, and I will take this v to the RHS, that is nothing but x into dv by dx. Here I will take minus common outside, that is minus sine square v, minus into minus plus v, and here plus v becomes minus v here. Now here plus v minus v get eliminates, the remaining part is minus sine square v. And here we can observe that only in terms of function, only variable, only in terms of v we are having. Easily I can separate it, that is variable separable form here. What we get here? dv by sine square v, okay, which is equal to minus as it is here dx here and divided by x. That is nothing but our variable separable form, okay. Therefore integrate it, therefore we have to integrate it. So what we get? Integration of 1 divided by sine square v dv equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Now 1 by sine square means what it is? 1 by sine square, that is nothing but cosecant square, that is integration of cosecant square v dv equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Integration of cosecant square v, that is nothing but here minus cot v equal to minus of what we get here, that is log x plus an integral constant c here, plus an integral constant c. Since we require to find what? We will take it as equation number 2. We require to find the particular solution. I will put all these, okay, given initial conditions in equation 2. That is nothing but put here y is equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1 in 2. What we get? That is, so before going with that, what do you mean by v here? The v value, that is nothing but here from this particular equation, v is equal to y by x here, y by x, that I require to substitute here. So what we get here? That is minus cot of y by x equal to minus log x plus c. This equation I will take it as 2 here instead of that one. Why? Because the initial condition is only for y is equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1 here, okay. That is nothing but here put y is equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1 in 2. So what we get here? That is minus cot of, so what we get here? That is nothing but y is equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1, that is a pi by 4 divided by 1, that is nothing but 1 only, equal to minus log 1 plus c. Log 1 value is 0 here, cot pi by 4 value is 1 here, which is equal to minus 0 plus c, that implies c value will be 1 here, okay. The c value will be minus 1. Now you require to put c equal to minus 1 in 2, put in 2, put in equation 2, and that itself is your particular solution. So what we get here? That is minus cot of y by x, dear students, equal to minus log x, okay, minus log x minus 1. You can take here minus sign outside, so what we get? That is cot of y by x equal to log x plus 1. That is nothing but our required easy and very simple easy example. Okay, dear students, so now this is all about our, okay, problems related to our particular solution of the given differential equation. Dear students, in the next class, okay, we shall continue the problems related to our particular solution of this differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation. Till that, thank you.